I'll be teaching you how to 3 easy yo-yo tricks. First one, it's not really a trick, but it's an easy way to wind up your yo-yo. So suppose you want to take your yo-yo hand and you want to bring it over to this, and you want to hold it right here, and then you want to set it on the string like this, and then you want to pull up with this finger right up here like this, and you want to hold it right there, and then boom, your yo-yo string is already halfway winded up, and then you can wind up the rest, and there, you can be ready for your new trick.
Number 2.
It's called eating a pizza. So what you're gonna do is you want to get a nice sleeper, and then you want to put your 4 fingers like this, and then you want to grab it with one hand, and as you see, we have a triangle right here, and we can go. You see how to do it? I'm going to teach you how to do it right now. So you want to go down, you want to put your 4 fingers, grab the end, and then all you want to do is you want to let the string slide through your fingers right there, and then go, and let sound effects in there, and then when you're done, you just want to flick your yo-yo back up, and it's going to come to your hand.
Number 1.
So let's do shooting the arrow, and then your yo-yo should be really responsive, so it should come up right away. I'll show you it again. Shooting the arrow, and up it comes.
This is the lesson for the 2 demonstrations.
You want to have a nice sleeper. You want to put your pointer finger, grab the end, take it back on your side of your head, and go shoot. You just want to let go, and you grab it. Please like and subscribe, and yeah, I'll see you in my next video. And also, comment down below if you want to see my parakeets, and I'll tell you down in the description what the comments are, what parakeets, if you don't know what there are, okay? So see ya, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video.